yourself?
I don't.
You retarded.
This is what happens when you go.
Set it up over there under the tires.
Guys, this is what happens when your truck is way too loud to be firing it up at midnight when you were working on it through like. So you have to.
in that room
Right there? So we have to push the truck down the driveway to get farther away from the house so it doesn't wake everybody up.
Alright, I need to get in it, don't I? Does it steer pretty good?
Oh, I guess it doesn't. If it doesn't steer, slam on the brake.
Stop it. Oh shit, I took my foot off the brake. I am. Yeah. Push.
Dude, we're going over something big.
Keep going. We're going.
Steer.
I can kind of steer it. Keep it going. Take the phone. Take the phone.
Watch him wreck my truck. Oh shoot. Watch him wreck my truck and just get in the trees.
I was gonna have to push it up.
Yeah. Dude, oh stop. Oh my gosh.
Where's he going? He sucks it back up.
You need.
I barely had any brakes. I'm like, seriously?
Oh, because the
brake pumpers are on.
yeah, right. It doesn't have any brakes with the truck running.
I gotta go.
That's funny.
Well, I kinda got squirrely coming through.
Because watch, now I can maybe fire it up without.
Give it a Where's the exhaust? Where's...
I probably still waking people up.